In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an additional shared mailbox in Outlook, specifically if you are already using the classic version of Outlook. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that you'll need someone to grant you access to their mailbox. However, for demo purposes, since we don't have access to any mailbox right now, I'll simply guide you through the process step by step so you'll know exactly where to go and what to do when you're ready. First, let's discuss verifying permissions. This is an essential starting point to ensure you have the right access to the shared mailbox. Ideally, you should have been granted send as or full access permissions. If you're unsure, reach out to the administrator or the owner of the mailbox and confirm these permissions are in place. This step is crucial because without the proper permissions, you won't be able to proceed further. Once you have confirmed access, open the Outlook application on your computer. For those of you working in a corporate environment, this is often pre-installed, but if not, it's available through Microsoft's official site. Launch the application and get ready to configure the shared mailbox. Next, head to your account settings. This is where you'll make the necessary changes. To get there, click on the File tab located in the top left corner of your Outlook window. From there, you will see the Account Settings option. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Settings again from this drop-down. This dual navigation through account settings might seem repetitive, but it's designed to ensure you're adjusting the correct parameters. With the account settings window open, the next step is to select your account. Look for the list of email accounts that are set up on your Outlook. Highlight your primary email account from the list. This is your main account that you use for day-to-day emails. Once highlighted, click the Change button. This action will allow you to modify specific details about your email account. Now, something quite important is on this next screen, the More Settings button. Look for it and give it a click. It will open another window with multiple tabs. Here you want to navigate to the Advanced tab. This is the hub for additional mailbox settings and options. Once in the Advanced tab, you'll see an Add button. Click this and a prompt will appear asking for the email address of the shared mailbox you wish to add. Carefully enter this email address, as accuracy is key for proper setup. Once you've input the information, click OK to finalize the addition. Following these steps will configure the shared mailbox into your Outlook, allowing for a seamless experience in managing emails across multiple accounts, right within the comfort of a single interface. Whether for collaboration or simply administrative efficiency, adding a shared mailbox keeps everything organized. Thanks for joining me today in unraveling this process.